Great choice today with the 2015 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, keyless entry, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, power steering, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, universal garage door opener. Come see the car for yourself.